clearing the table. Hi, this is Sharon from Sherry's Berries, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And this is a collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And the playlist of all the other Tiny Tidiers will be in my comments. And yes, again, I am clearing off the table that's in our RV trailer. But today I'm actually going to put a nice cloth on it and decorate it. This is in my bedroom. Okay. I didn't pick up after myself. I made a little video last night. Didn't pick up after myself, so now I have to do it. As I showed you all my little greenhouse fairy garden bits. So I gotta pick them up and put them away. I have this little box I'm keeping them in. I don't want to lose any bits. That's good. Yeah, and the door fit in there. I have this box to put them in. This is my instructions. This is my box of stuff. Okay. And this is a box of stuff I used to build with. Okay. This is all in a nice, tidy little box. I can probably put it in the cupboard. Now I want to play again. Oh, stool. Okay, I'm going to hang. I brought two little baskets from home. This one. And the other one's over there. I brought this and this. And we're going to do some decor. Make our home, away from home, feel like home. So I've just been finding stuff. That's my jewelry box. Oh, there's a pajama top. And that goes with my camera. That's a flashlight. In case I drop something. And I think I'm going to hang this in my bedroom now. So, I got this table kind of cleared off because this is where all my stuff I'm going to try and put out. And I got some in this bag here too. I'm going to see if I can put them around and just make things feel a little more like home. Okay. Now put this stuff away where it belongs. At this time, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up. I got this table runner in Cranbrook at Winners, and I believe I paid $7. And I really like it on my dark table. I think it looks really nice. And you can't tell, it does have small checks on it. Well, you all might recognize this basket. I had it on my living room table, and I decided, because it was a dark basket, that it would look really good on my table in our trailer on this light tablecloth. So I've decided I'm going to decorate it. So I'm just playing around here, seeing what I like and what I don't like. So I got out my bag of goodies that I brought from home, and I'm just placing things inside the tray to see what I like. And I decided it needed a riser to put things on. And I'm just going to try things and see what happens. And I do like all of these things. None of them are new. The chicken I got from my daughter, and I thought it would look really cute on our little table. in our RV. Everything else is thrifted. I thrifted all this stuff, probably all through last year, and I used some of it on my tier tray for the summer, and I just thought it was suitable for being in our RV. Kind of a cottage look, I think. Here I'm just looking at some of the other things that I brought from home. I made this fish that I'm showing you is a pottery fish that I made, and it's kind of a wind chime. And the other little board is a shelf sitter, and I do put these around my trailer. So if you want to see where I put them, watch my Sunday home reset that I just posted, and you'll see where they are. So this is what I ended up with, and I think it looks really sweet sitting on the table in our RV. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to watch all the other tiny tidiers in this collaboration. There will be a playlist in my comments. Hope you enjoy it. I would like to thank Sunday Dawn again for hosting this collaboration, and I hope you all enjoyed my tiny tidy. And I'll see you in the next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!